that has been brought in by the government today. There are a few suggestions and the questions I would like to ask the Honourable Government and the Honourable Ministry through you, ma'am. It's been 17 days we have been in session, and I think we have worked this time. A lot of bills have been passed. So what was the urgency on the last day to bring in such an important bill? It is by consensus, but if we had a more detailed discussion, it would have been much better in the interest of the nation. Two ministers intervened, and it was unfortunate that the Honourable Finance Minister said that we are grudgingly, they don't want to pass this bill. Madam, this bill is to support the poor. This same house, when we weren't sitting on that side and the people in power today are sitting on this side, has passed the food security bill wholeheartedly. We have passed the land acquisition bill, which is interest of the poor. So this is not the first bill that this house is passing to support the poor and upliftment of masses. So it was really painful for me to think that we were doing midday meal programs, several such projects, grudgingly. I don't think anybody is passing this bill grudgingly. The only point was if we had more time, it could have been a better discussion. Yes. And at the flip side, Paswanji, who also happens to be in the cabinet, made 2-3 very surprising suggestions and requests to the Honourable Minister. पासवान said that I hope this ये फंस नहीं जाए law में जो आपने अभी कहा. So I was actually surprised कि somebody who's in the cabinet said this. So that sort of makes me feel worried कि अगर cabinet मंत्री ही सरकार से मांग करे कि ये court में कहीं ना फंस जाए is the request. That puts a question in my mark, and he ends his speech by saying that no, you can reply. Sure, I'm happy to yield. I'm happy to yield, sir. I'm happy to yield.
हमने सिर्फ इतना ही कहा कि कोर्ट में जाने से किसी को आप रोक नहीं सकते हैं. कोर्ट कब जजमेंट देगा ये भी किसी को पता नहीं है, किसी के हाथ में नहीं है. इसलिए कि कोर्ट में ये सब मामला नहीं जाए तो जितने भी हैं एससी, एसटी, ओबीसी और प्लस इकोनॉमिकली बैकवर्ड ये जो है आर्थिक रूप से गरीब, इन सारे चीज़ों को 60% को ही 9 शेड्यूल में डाल दीजिए जिससे कि कोई कोर्ट में जा ही नहीं सके. ये हमने कहा. हाँ,
द सेंटिमेंट जो मुझे समझ में आई कि उनको यहाँ बोलना पड़ा, मुझे उनके मन में शायद डाउट था, ऐसा मुझे मेरा परसेप्शन हुआ सर, विच इज ऑन द ऑफिशियल. सो आई एम ग्लैड ही क्लैरिफाइड 9th का. बट and the other thing which the Honourable Finance Minister also in his intervention said that 15th and 16th he has changed the 15th and 16th amendment. In that he said the states had already given reservation and which may not have been passed unless this have changed. Now I am slightly confused, so I asked the Honourable Minister to clarify that in Haryana the BJP government passed a bill in 2016 to grant 10% quota to the judges, and that matter has been referred to the BC Commission. In Gujarat, there was one for Patidar. The state government finally let the ordinance lapse. Maharashtra government has given Marathas 16% arakshan. So just for my knowledge, so that the record is straight, I would like to ask the, and there are several. Telangana has the same issue which was Jitendra Reddy brought. So I would ask the Honourable Minister if you could clarify that when this was committed earlier, does that mean it wasn't done, and now that this 15th and 16th has been changed, only then this will stand? So if he could clarify, because I am unsure about it, and especially after the Honourable Minister has said. And I appreciate that it has come, they have been in power for 4 years, 7 months and probably 11 days, I could be stand corrected, maybe 12 days. But why has this come in the last season? And then Honourable Paswanji, who's a very sweet, honest man, said that let's hope that this all brings the Honourable Prime Minister back to power. So I just hope this is not a jumla, sir, and it's really for the poor, for the right cause. So I had little concerns, and I respect what Pushwaji has suggested. I'm sure the consensus of the House, if you bring the Indian Judicial Service Collegium thing, we are all happy to work. No sir, we'll work for 5 more days if you're going to bring in the change. We don't want to go to our constituencies, we'll make all the right changes and go. So there are 2-3 issues which I would like a clarification from this government, that which even Adsulji brought up, who happens to be a part of the government in Maharashtra. And a very good line Paswanji has given us today. He says when there's a will, there's a way. There is no will, there is a commission. Sir, survey, there is a survey. It was a very nice line because
तो रेल मंत्री के समय में बहुत सारी चीज समय में हैं, हम किसी चीज में डिले ही नहीं करते थे। यस नो तुरंत। उमा जी आई कहने के लिए कि हमको सर्वे करवा दीजिए, हमने कहा रेलवे लाइन चाहिए कि सर्वे चाहिए, तो हमने उसी समय में कर दिया। तो हमने कहा कि हम रेल मंत्री के हिस्से से कहते थे कि वेयर देयर इज ए विल देयर इज ए रेलवे, वेयर देयर इज नो विल देयर इज ए सर्वे। तो जो करना है जैसे अभी हो गया, अब इसके लिए कमीशन बनाओ, सवर्ण आयोग बनाओ, ये करो वो करो, हाँ यही होते रहा है अभी तक। तो इसलिए जो करना है तुरंत करो। और इसलिए हमने कहा प्रधानमंत्री जी को बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद देना चाहते हैं, और यही सरकार से हो सकती है ये सब काम। हो गया, अब भविष्य में भी बनवाइए, फिर करेंगे। निजी क्षेत्र में आरक्षण, दूसरा क्या कहते हैं कि 9 शेड्यूल में डालना, और इंडियन जुडिशियल सर्विस, ये तीनों हो जाएगा। पावर में खाली ला दीजिए।
प्लीज प्लीज प्लीज। अब ये हर कोई कमेंट नहीं करेगा। ये सुप्रिया जी,
I would like to take exactly the point from what Paswan ji said. If there's a will, there's a way. If there is no political will, there is a survey. So I would like to reiterate the point which Atsul ji has said, that when the BJP came to power in Maharashtra, they committed to Dhangad Arakshan. Dhangar और धनगढ़ ये दो अलग शब्द भी है, लेकिन मराठी में धनगढ़ को धनगर बोलते हैं। एंड दे हैव अ लॉन्ग स्टैंडिंग डिमांड कि उनको एसटी में लिया जाए। और महाराष्ट्र सरकार में आज सर्वे हो रहा है, सर्वे 4 साल से सर हो रहा है। सो देर इज नो पॉलिटिकल विल, दैट्स व्हाई प्रोबेबली देर इज ओनली सर्वे। इसीलिए धनगढ़ आरक्षण की ट्रेन आगे नहीं बढ़ रही अनफॉर्चुनेटली। तो मेरी सरकार से मांग रहेगी कि जो गेहलोत जी ने भी उनके इंट्रोडक्शन में कहा कि जिसको आरक्षण आजकल मिला उसको बिल्कुल डिस्टर्ब नहीं करेंगे, बहुत अच्छी बात है, वी वेलकम दैट। बट धनगढ़ आरक्षण को अगर उनकी एसटी की मांग है वो पूरी की जाए। जो आपके मैनिफेस्टो की भी बात आज ऑनरेबल फाइनेंस मिनिस्टर जी ने की, तो अब मैनिफेस्टो आप पूरा फॉलो कर रहे हैं, तो धनगढ़ आरक्षण का भी निर्णय जल्द से जल्द अगर लिया जाए तो बहुत अच्छा होगा। एंड लास्ट 2 small points। श्योर
नहीं, not like this. No. She is not a minister or something. It's okay.
हमारा भी जो बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट आश्वासन है मैडम, कि जो मुस्लिम्स का 12% हमने मांगा है एंड एसटीज का जो 10% हमने मांगा है, रामविलास पासवान भी हुकूमत जहाँ भी हो, कहीं भी हो, वो हुकूमत रहेंगे। तो उनसे मैं ये चाहता हूँ कि हमारा भी जो है 9th शेड्यूल के अंदर में डालने का प्रयास करेंगे क्या?
ऐसा नहीं होता। प्लीज बैठिए। नहीं, नथिंग लाइक दैट।
Wrapping up, just 2 points.
Please, yes.
The only, Madam, I have to only yield because Honorable Minister out of respect. Just 2 small points and I will finish.
Now, continue.
Madam, one senior minister who also happens to be from Maharashtra. I would like to ask a clarification from the government. I don't doubt their intentions, that this is a jumla. But if they could clarify, because a senior member who happens to be in the cabinet has said, if I could quote him, that let us assume the reservation is given, but there are no jobs. Because in banks the jobs have shrunk because of IT, the government recruitment is frozen, is what they said about reservations. So if you could kindly, government could explain in their reply what it is. And the Honorable Chief Minister of Maharashtra has been quoted on saying, on the question of reservation, the CM said reservation is not a solution, and added that if reservation is given to every community, even then government jobs can't be given to 90% of the younger generation. So I'm a bit confused, madam, that the leadership
confusion
is different. So these are public statements. This is what they have said in public domain. So if they could kindly clarify that how then the jobs will be created. In education, it's not very difficult to do because
job doesn't mean only government servant something. There are so many.
So then they have to clarify, ma'am, what the jobs will be done.
You know it better. Now conclude.
And in ECB, economically backward in education, Maharashtra has a tradition of doing that. So I urge this government to look into reservation of Dhangars, Kolis, Goaris and several such communities who are demanding. Thank you, ma'am.